Welcome to the part B of practical number 3. So in part A we have learned about how to use serial communication ports using, that is UART ports on Arduino Uno board, and how to print the messages on serial monitor, and how to use serial monitors TX and RX pins. So as discussed in a simulation session in part B, now we will try to read the analog voltage which is present on the analog pins of Arduino Uno board. So as discussed earlier, A0 to A5 pins are there on Arduino Uno board which can read the analog voltage of any source. So here, as discussed in simulation session, the same setup is created. So here the analog voltage is developed by using potentiometer. So potentiometer of 10K. So according to that, the connections will be, for the potentiometer, the middle leg of potentiometer is connected to A0 pin of Arduino Uno, which is nothing but one of the analog read pin, and one lead is connected to the ground and other lead is connected to plus VCC of 5 volt, and this is nothing but the connection to Arduino Uno board, and through this USB the board is connected to the laptop. So accordingly, now after verifying the code is uploaded on this kit. So before uploading the code, you need to check using the tools. You need to check for port. That is the port that you have selected and the port on which your board is connected are same. So here they are same, that is COM6 port. So now the board is ready to be used. So here I am going to upload the code now. So once you start uploading, as discussed earlier, here the TX and RX pin starts to glow, because we have used the serial communication here as discussed in a simulation session also. So accordingly, here to observe the analog voltage virtually, here the way is to look for serial monitor. So on the right hand side of Arduino IDE, you will find that serial monitor icon. So you can get the voltages which are going to print on serial monitor, and here the digital multimeter is connected to pin A0, that is nothing but at input source. So the voltage measured is 3.25 volt on the input side. So the same voltage is going to be read by A0 pin of Arduino, and that voltage is converted to actually digital value. So analog read command is going to read that voltage, and as discussed with the formulas in the prior session, that is converted to digital voltage. As discussed, the Arduino Uno contains 10-bit ADC. So any voltage range is going to be converted to 0 to 1023 of levels, and the same digital level is now converted to again respective analog voltage by the formula that is discussed in a simulation session. So the same program is there, and intentionally the delay is putted here so as to know the difference in the levels, and the same voltage is going to be printed on a serial monitor. So if you observe on the digital multimeter at the input side, the voltage is 4.47, and here the voltage that Arduino Uno is going to convert by using its 10-bit ADC is 4.45 volt. So now if the potentiometer, if we rotate the shaft of potentiometer, the resistance is going to be changed, and obviously the voltage developed at A0 pin is going to be changed. So now the voltage change is 1.93 volt, and the same voltage is converted by Arduino Uno to 1.93 volt. So now we can say that conversion is proper. That is, at the input the voltage available is 1.93. After conversion to ADC, that is digital value, and then back to analog value, again we are getting the same voltages via 10-bit resolution of ADC.